Kids channel.
Hello, kids and parents. Welcome to Innovative Kids channel. Learning English is fun and easy with simple sentences like these. Each one helps you understand and speak better every day. Let's start practicing together.
Hello. My name is Lisa.
Hello, my name is Lisa.
How are you today?
How are you today?
How are you today? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
This is my friend.
This is my friend.
This is my friend. I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
I have lunch at school.
I have lunch at school.
I have lunch at school. I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I do my homework. The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue. My favorite color is red.
My favorite color is red.
That apple is green.
That apple is green.
That apple is green. This ball is round.
This ball is round.
This ball is round. The book is square-shaped.
The book is square-shaped.
The book is square-shaped. The cat is sleeping on the couch.
The cat is sleeping on the couch.
Birds can fly in the sky.
Birds can fly in the sky.
Fish swim in the water.
Fish swim in the water.
Fish swim in the water. I see a big tree in the park.
I see a big tree in the park.
I like to eat pizza.
I like to eat pizza.
I like to eat pizza. My favorite fruit is an apple.
My favorite fruit is an apple.
I drink milk every morning.
I drink milk every morning.
I drink milk every morning. Can I have some water, please?
Can I have some water, please?
I like ice cream on a hot day.
I like ice cream on a hot day.
I can count to 10.
I can count to 10.
I can count to 10. There are 5 apples in the basket.
There are 5 apples in the basket.
I have 2 pencils in my bag.
I have 2 pencils in my bag.
Can you count the stars in the sky?
Can you count the stars in the sky?
I see 3 birds on the tree.
I see 3 birds on the tree.
I love my family.
I love my family.
I can count to 10. I have a little brother.
I have a little brother.
I have a little brother. My best friend is very kind.
My best friend is very kind.
We play games together after school.
We play games together after school.
I like to play with my toys.
I like to play with my toys.
This is my favorite doll.
This is my favorite doll.
This is my favorite doll. I like to build with blocks.
I like to build with blocks.
I like to build with blocks. Do you want to play hide and seek?
Do you want to play hide and seek?
I like going to school.
I like going to school.
I like going to school. My teacher is very nice.
My teacher is very nice.
My teacher is very nice. I read a book in the library.
I read a book in the library.
Math is my favorite subject.
Math is my favorite subject.
Thank you for the gift.
Thank you for the gift.
Thank you for the gift. Excuse me, can I ask a question?
Excuse me, can I ask a question?
I am sorry, I did not mean to.
I am sorry, I did not mean to.
It's sunny outside today.
It's sunny outside today.
It's sunny outside today. I like to play in the snow.
I like to play in the snow.
I like to play in the snow. Spring is my favorite season.
Spring is my favorite season.
It rains a lot in the fall.
It rains a lot in the fall.
It rains a lot in the fall. In summer, I go to the beach.
In summer, I go to the beach.
I love to draw and paint.
I love to draw and paint.
I like to ride my bike.
I like to ride my bike.
I like to ride my bike.
Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.